Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve the fourth pattern problem from TUF plus. So let's get into the problem. So here we are given with a integer n and we want to recreate the pattern as following. So it is like a number of rows as per defined here in n, and then we have to make it as 1 2 2 3 3 3 4 4 4, and last row will be the n number of digits should be there. So in case of 4, this is the pattern that we want to achieve here. So let's start with understanding this problem in a pseudocode. So it is like, let's consider n is given as 3. So what we want to do is like 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. So as defined in the previous example also, we have achieved a similar kind of pattern only, but it was like 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So now here we want to achieve 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. So this is a bit different. And we have also seen why we want to start from 1 here, because we don't want to print a star or any other like a character here. We want to print numbers so we can make use of our loop variable. So that's why we want to start from 1. So let's try to write the first loop. For int I equal to 1, I is less than equal to n, and I plus plus. So what it will do, we are doing the rows here with this particular for loop. Then going inside it, and we want to print the columns. So for int j equal to 1 and j is less than equal to I, because we have seen here, right? J is less than equal to I. Why we want to do that? Because we want to print the columns as per depending on I. So we will try run this code as well. This is it, and here the main parts comes here. And what we want to do is like we want to print 1, 2, 2, and 3, 3. Earlier, what we printed J, because we wanted to print 1, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. So that's how it is. And in this case, we want to print this kind of pattern only, but just the pattern is same. Just the thing that we want to print is different. And here you can print I basically, and SOP, and then that's it. Let's try run this one on this particular example. So at the first, I is 0, j is 0, I is less than n, n is 3, n is 3. So I is less than n, yes it is. Here it comes. Sorry, we want to make it as 1, 1, 1. 1 is less than 3, yes. 1, then j equal to 1, j is less than I. 1 is less than equal to 1, yes it is. Then we will print 1 as per I is 1. Then again j will increment to 2, j will become 2 here. Then again we will compare. J is less than equal to I, is it? J is less than equal to I? No, it is not. J is greater than I. So we will break the loop, and we will call this particular statement, and we will come to another line. Then again uh, my j will become uh, then my I will become 2, and j will become 1 again. J will become 1 again, and now this time what we will do is like we'll compare. uh, j is less than equal to I, yes it is. We will print I here. I is 2, we will print 2. Then again we will make j 2, increment j with 1, j will become 2. Is it less than equal to I? Yes it is. Then again we'll print I is 2. Again j will become 3 here, because we are incrementing it. 3 is less than equal to I. 3 is less than equal to 2. No, it is not. It will break the loop, and it will point here. So this statement will get executed. Then again we will increment I with 1. It will become 3 and j will become 1 because 3 is less than equal to 3. So that's why we came inside and j become 1. And is it? Yes, it is. And we will be 3. Then again we will increment j by 1. It is. Is it less than equal to I? Is it less than equal to 3? Yes, it is. We will again print 3. Then again we will increment j with 1. So it will become 3. 3 is less than equal to 3. Yes, it matches the condition and we will print 3 again. And we will increment j. J will become here 4. So 4 is less than equal to 3. This condition will fail again and we will break out of loop. We will execute this statement and pointer will come here. And again we will increment I with 1. I will become 4. But 4 is less than equal to n. 4 is less than equal to 3. Is it true? No. We will break the loop and we have already achieved this particular pattern here. So this is how you have to deal with the pattern problems. So let's try to code this one. For int I equal to 1, I is less than equal to n, I plus plus, and one curly braces. Again we'll write the next for loop. Int j equal to 1, j is less than equal to I, and j plus plus. Inside that, what we will do, we will print the system.out.print I. This is the change which was needed from the previous program. And system.out.print that we want to do it here. Let's try to run this. Oh, sorry. S should be capital. Yes, it is accepted. Let's try to submit this one. Yes, it is also submitted. And talking about the time complexity here, so it is like we are running the first loop from I to n, so n and n plus, let's say this loop runs from I to like it is also a second for loop that we are using here, so it is going to be n square because we are using two for loops. And talking about space complexity here, it is around O of 1 only because we are not using any space here. So yeah, that's it for today. Yeah, please subscribe the channel guys and also comment down your thoughts, what you think about this lecture, and let me know in comments whether you have also tried this on your own. Yeah, thank you.